How to put birthday countdown on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. So let's tap on the story and I'm going to just click a random picture over here, and as I click a very random picture, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. So here you can just tap on the search bar and search for the option of birthday countdown. So let's search for the birthday countdown option, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of countdown sticker. So tap on countdown, and here you can just set the end date and the time. So I'm going to select on this one and tap on it and then tap on done. So let's select over here again. So let's select the date, time and everything. So as it's done, you can now just put it wherever you would want and tap on done, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.